Hello everybody, welcome to the next video. Today we're going to be milling some lumber using the Granberg 24-inch Mark IV Alaskan chainsaw mill. I have it all set up here. I've already used it some. I got the log back here behind me for already set up. We're going to mill it down to some 2x6s about. And yeah, so I'm going to bring you in closer and show you a little bit about the mill itself and how it works and it's put together. I'm running it with an Echo CS590 with the 24-inch bar, so that gets about, I could probably move it out a little bit more, but right now I got 18 3/4 inches of cutting. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you in closer and show you the mill. Like I said, here's the power head I'm using. It's the Echo CS590. It seems to have a ton of power, way more than the Husqvarna 440, that's for sure. And then this is Granberg Alaskan chainsaw mill, 24-inch. It's got the push handle here, and to adjust it, it's got the measurements up to 14 inches there and here. And it's super easy to adjust. All the bolts and everything are the standard chainsaw tool size, this one, smaller one. And so you just loosen these and you can move it up and down. This is easy to adjust, this middle bar thing. If you want to move it wherever, you just loosen these two here, and those are the adjustments there. My only complaint so far is this bar, which I suppose you're not going to be moving it, this piece back and forth a whole lot. It's just super hard to, you kind of got to beat it to get it to adjust, but I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. And then it's got this safety guard thing here so you don't cut your leg, or cut someone else's leg. They're over there. So it's nice, it handles it good. It's not sketchy at all when using it. You just have to make sure you plane it out. I also have the 9-foot guide bar. We noticed the workbench is the workbench we made in this video here. These two videos here, actually. I'll have a link to a playlist there, pop up on screen if I can figure out how to do that. And yeah, let's get the mill set up and rip our first board. Alright, and the log we're going to be milling, this came from a log that was, this is about a quarter of it. And so I've already milled quite a bit. I milled a slab and it started to crack, so then I decided to cut along the crack and ended up with this beam. And instead of 2x6s like I originally said, I'm actually just going to make a 5.5 by 6-inch beam, which is the most I can get based off the end over there. I want to get rid of this angle from when I felled the tree, and I'm just gonna get rid of it real quick. There we go. That's better. Alrighty, I got it done and flipped over, and it cut it pretty nice. It's pretty smooth. I mean, I think it's pretty smooth. I don't have anything to reference it off of. But this is how much from milling it square yesterday. That's how much I was off. But it'll be cool because I can make some wedges out of this. I've been needing to make some, so I can get a couple of them out of here. And yeah, now we gotta turn it over and decide what side to rip it through again. Alrighty, I got it cut down pretty good. It's got a good bow in it though. So what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna cut it into two 30-inch sections, and that's going to be the top for each of the sawhorses. And then this, which should be, yeah, 38 inches. I think I'll maybe cut it in half, and I'll be able to get two of the sections for the legs out of it. I think is what I'll do. Not 100% on that yet though. I'm just making this up as I go. But it's cut down. As you can see, the mill works pretty good. Had a little accident over there. Just ignore the broken in half sawhorse. It's okay. That's why I need new sawhorses. But yeah, so it works good though. I don't have any issues with it. This saw handle's cutting it just fine. And yeah, so if you want to see, it is. Yeah, I just realized it didn't really square this side very good. But the rest of it's pretty square. It'll be good enough for what we're doing. Yeah, if you want to see where we go from here, I think the next part is going to be building these sawhorses so I can have a little bit better of a setup for cutting. Yeah, yeah, if you want to see where we go from here, then subscribe to come along and watch all this. Any likes and comments are appreciated. I'll see you in the next video.